Hi everyone, this is a quick update video just to let you know about the brand new version we've released of Studio RM. In this version we're going to bring you some new visualization tools as well as streamline some of your processes with the changes to formatting we've made. Now there's a lot to get into, so we'll just jump straight in. So first up, we've got the investigation of anisotropy. With this latest update, you'll be able to investigate the anisotropy of mineralization more quickly and objectively. Now we've got more options than ever, and you'll have the ability to view the maximum sample spacing, as well as being able to configure the lag, maximum lag, and block model size. When you're creating a variogram in advanced estimation, you'll be able to create a variogram of normal scores and then back transform that variogram. With search volume shapes, your estimation controls are now going to be more closely correlated with the data and orientation of your deposit. You can define cylindrical search radius on to create variograms panel and use rectangular search volumes. Drill hole count's going to give you a more reliable understanding of the origins of your estimated grades, as well as help you understand if there's any undue influence from just a few holes. In the output model from advanced estimations, you'll see a new field in which the amount of drill holes to estimate each cell is specified. With these additions, it's easy to recall and compare K&A scenarios, so you'll be able to identify the most appropriate parameters for grade estimation. Previous K&A runs can be opened in Table Editor. You can also see K&A graphs for different test block groups using different symbols. Get ready for faster declustering processes, with a lot more options for identifying the best parameters to use. Now you can calculate the declustered weight for a set of samples using a gridding method, and you can identify the optimum grid size in the case of preferential clustering, where, for example, there is a high density of samples in a high-grade area, or conversely, a high density of samples in a low-grade area. We're also bringing you greater insights into the quality and variability of your drill hole sample data, as well as helping you carry out visual verification more effectively. This RM update brings with it a huge variety of options for displaying histograms, line graphs, angle graphs, labels, and other data formats in the 3D window alongside your drill holes. Handling your drone and LiDAR data will also become a lot more seamless. With RM doing all of the heavy lifting, you'll be able to import a huge variety of point data formats, which then intelligently declusters the data upon import and colors the data with RGB values if they exist. You can now use two new commands to identify and classify domains quickly in your drill hole data prior to structural modeling, which will then categorize /group lithology values from an input sample file and then apply group and ungrouped values interactively to holes and intervals. Editing and correction of any mistakes are now quickly remedied. RM now has an improved undo/redo framework for existing point and string editing commands. You can now do this for multiple undo/redo operations. Generating vein model or implicitly modeled surfaces are now quicker than ever before. You'll be able to automatically generate surfaces representing veins using brand new vein creation command. Well, that's it for now. As usual, this update comes with hundreds of other bug fixes and improvements, and for those of you who really want to get into the weeds, I've included all the documentation in the link below. If you want to stay updated, the best way to do that is jump on LinkedIn and YouTube and hit subscribe and follow.